This is the Sultan Abdul Halim Pangkalan Rapid Ferry Terminal to Penang Island. That is the mainland, that is the toll booth, and this is the ferry. At some point we have to enter. It says Penang Central on that, right there, and this word ferry there. These are the cars waiting to go through to the ferry terminal. These are the cars waiting to go through the ferry terminal. So we'll carry on after when we get into the car. Cars are currently going through to the ferry terminal, and I reckon I have to wait. See, the front car is going, and that is the back, and we're currently going up. Follow me to this journey of Penang Island via this ferry, round one. Very bumpy, very sunny, beautiful sun, beautiful sun. I guess you have to wait here to dock on the ferry. It says Matikan, somewhere there it reads Matikan Engine Semasa Menunggu Ferry. So maybe I can get down and show you what this is. I don't know, but let's hold and see what happens. And here we're moving. Look. That is what the ferry looks like. In the documentaries that I've seen, the ferry was yellow in color. I don't know why it is blue right now. Beautiful sun. This is the surrounding, and we're going into the ferry now. I don't know how long the ride is going to be, or the boat ride is going to be. We'll find out together. So again, as I was saying, in the documentaries that I've seen, in the videos that I've seen, the ferry was yellow, like a real yellow in color, and now it is blue, baby blue. Stopped, so I'm going to get out and check it out. This is what it looks like. I'm going to go one round and show you what this is all about, okay? Follow me. That's the ferry. Let me see if I can zoom in. See, that's the ferry there. Beautiful. See? Beautiful island. Very beautiful. Check it out. I'm zooming too fast, I think, but I'll do it slower. Passengers, walk-in passengers are coming in. Hello. I'm talking to a dude here, he works here. You work with Ferry?
Yeah.
What's your name?
Ahmad.
I'm going to put you on the video, right? Okay, this is Ahmad. Say hello to YouTube. Hello, this is Ahmad. Ahmad, how long have you worked?
5 years.
5 years. So the cars and the people go in together? The cars are not separate from the passengers?
Yeah.
Together.
Yeah, together.
Is there a top floor or bottom floor?
Bottom and top floor.
Both cars?
Yeah.
Both cars, both passengers?
Passenger and cars.
Both top floors.
Yeah, same.
Same. Okay. In the documentaries that I've seen, the ferry was yellow color. I've seen some old videos. The ferry was yellow.
This ferry?
This ferry. Why is it blue now?
Since,
You see the ferry?
Yeah.
Is blue.
yeah.
Rapid ferry. Before it was yellow. You don't know? Okay. How long is the ride from here to here?
Long 20 minutes.
20 minutes. From Butterworth, which is here,
Yeah.
all the way to Penang Island, it's 20 minutes.
Yeah.
Thank you, Ahmad. Thank you.
Okay.
Give me your WhatsApp number and I'll show you where this film is, okay? Just write it down, give it back, okay? Thank you. This is Ahmad. Say, show me your face very quickly. The one. Where's your mother? Where's your father? Are you married?
Yeah.
Are you married?
Yeah. Yes.
Look in the camera.
Yes.
Tell your wife you love her and you're safe.
Yeah. Okay.
He's very shy. He loves you, whoever you are. I'm going to walk around, okay?
Yeah, okay.
Thank you very much. Ahmad. This is the passenger quarters and the cars are on each side. So I'm going to walk through the car section first, and this lady is playing with her phone right there. Very nice. It's very, very packed. So everybody's hello, say hello to YouTube. Very nice. And this is empty. This is left empty. I don't know why. And that's the vista. And that's, so it's a 20-minute ride apparently from Butterworth to Penang, and that's how beautiful it is. Everybody's just doing their own thing. And hello. Hi. What's your name? Who?
Anna.
Anna. Beautiful. You're eating donuts.
Donuts.
Very sweet. Smile. Very nice. That's Anna. That's a mother. And that's somebody who's telling her to smile. Yes. Say hello, YouTube. Say hello, YouTube. Can't interview anybody else. Everybody's very busy on their phones and stuff like that. I'll walk around. I'll show you the. That's the other side of the ferry. The other side of the ferry is. Check that vista out. Very nice. I remember, see that? I saw that in the picture. Shell. There's no one I can talk to. And I don't know what this says in Malay, but go ahead. It's Rapid Ferry. Hi, how are you? Very crowded. I guess it's not as crowded as it would be if it's not. Very packed. Everybody's wearing a mask. Very nice. There's a good-looking dude here not wearing his mask. Hello. Let me just go ask him. I'll follow him. He's not wearing his mask. Hello. Hi. How are you? Why are you not wearing your mask? Why are you not wearing your mask? No, you should wear your mask because it is good for you to wear your mask. You shouldn't open your mask.
I'm coming already. I don't go toilet.
There's a lot of people here.
Very that's all. I go toilet.
Yes, Kavima.
I got a toilet.
I understand. I hate the mask as well.
Very well,
But-
sir. I was coming already. I ready already.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. I'm going to just hit everybody who's not wearing masks. She's not wearing a mask. That's two. I'm just going to crisscross and see how many people are not wearing the mask, and I'm going to ask them why they're not wearing the mask. Everybody else is wearing the mask except for that man that I encountered earlier. They're eating, so they're not wearing the mask. Very nice. I think it's leaving. I think it's leaving. So that's Anna again. I spoke to her just now. Hi Anna. Hi. And that's Anna. Hello.
Hi,
How are you?
I'm fine.
You? Can I talk to you?
Yes.
Show me your face for a second. Beautiful lady. You can put your face back on
Okay, thank
because I'm giving everybody a hard time for no masks.
Okay.
What's your name, love?
My name is Kala.
Color.
Yes.
Color.
Kala.
Color or Gala?
K-A-L-A.
Color. Where are you from, Color?
I'm Malaysian.
Yes. What do you do? That's beautiful color.
I'm coming back from visit my mom.
From?
Taipei.
Typing. Where is that?
It's in Perak.
It's in Perak.
Yes.
And you do this all the time?
No, once a month, once, twice, like that.
Good daughter. Very nice. So Color, talk us. How long is this ride?
Around 10 to 15 minutes.
That's it.
Yes.
I got no time to play.
Around 20 minutes, not much.
Ah, Color. Married?
Yes.
Children?
No.
Husband?
Yes.
Of course. Look in the camera.
Yeah.
Tell your very lucky husband
Yeah.
that you're safe and you're coming home soon and that you love him. Go ahead. It's your moment.
Want to say what?
Whatever you want.
Whatever I want. I want everybody to be safe. I wish to the Corona is get lost from the world very soon.
Tell them to wear their mask.
Come again?
Tell them to wear their mask.
Everybody, please wear the mask and please safely avoid from going out. Stay safe.
How old is your mother?
71.
Look in the camera. You can speak whatever language you want, Tamil.
Okay.
Tell her you love her. Tell her to be safe and tell her thank you for bringing you up.
Amma, I love you so much, Amma. பெற்றதுக்கு நான் ரொம்ப சந்தோஷப்படுறேன். That's it. Yes,
Thanks a
I
lot.
said in Tamil.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. I'll come back to you, yeah?
Okay.
Okay. And so this is, where is the ferry?
This is a ferry.
Where does it land? Where does it dock? Not land. I'm in the plane. What?
We are going to Penang Island.
I know. Where does it dock? Do you know what area?
Yeah. It's over there. Can you see that?
I'm going to zoom in.
Yes, yes. The green. You see the clock
The clock.
somewhere there? Yeah, there's a light there. You can see.
Oh, you see the lights there, people?
Yeah, yes, yes.
That's where the ferry docks.
Yeah.
How much is a passenger trip on the ferry?
Right now, you mean how many people?
How much does it cost you?
How many people?
How much does it cost you?
Cost for me,
Mm.
1 ringgit 20 cents.
To
Only
go.
one way, the other way free.
The other way free.
Yes.
So if you leave the island, get the hell out. Free.
Yes,
If you come to the island, pay up.
okay, 120.
Very nice. Malaysia
ringgit
bullet.
and 20
Okay,
cents.
the car cost us 7 ringgit.
Oh, I
20
don't have
cents.
car, so I'm only trying my bus.
The car people cost about 7.20, 120 for passengers.
Yeah.
Yes?
Yeah.
Thank you, Carla.
Then welcome. Thank you very much.
Take care of yourself, yeah? And
Which media from?
I'll talk to you in a minute. Thank you so much. Yeah?
Thank you.
I will make sure you log in and you watch, yeah? Just give me a
Okay.
minute to go disturb
Alright.
people, all right? And ask people why they're not wearing their mask.
May I know the media from where? Yo, back.
Alright, this are the people. So this is the side view. This is the side view. Hello. Hi. I'll give you the back view. One more time. I'll walk through one more time, and then I'll end this segment of the show, and we'll call it the ferry terminal video. I'm walking through right now. So it's $1.20 for each person that crosses here. Hi, hello. There's a lady right there. Okay, and that's the back version of the thing. Back version. Hello, how are you? Very nice. You're leaving the mainland. That's Butterworth, Seberang Perai, and whatever the hell that is. So we docked out just on the other side of the shell, on the right of the shell if you're looking at it, and then look at the view. Look at the vista. So beautiful, cannot be compared. And I'll show you the side of the thing. Back view. That's downstairs. I will try and go downstairs. Look, that's the other floor the conductor boy was talking about. I'm not going to go all the way. So that is the crowd. So on the bottom deck, it's only cars and motorcycles. Tons of motorcycles and cars. I bet the view, the man that I bothered just now by the mask is down there. He ran away from me. No mask. Everybody's got a mask. No mask. So that's the bottom floor. We're going back to the top floor. Very steep. Very steep. I want to interview all these people standing around, but nobody wants to make eye contact, so. And that we're leaving right now. I reckon that's the bridge. That's the old bridge there. Let me zoom in. See? That's the new bridge. From one corner, it's very well shaped, to the other corner. And that's that. And this is a selfie moment. I'll join them. And it's okay, you're on YouTube. Can I talk to you? What's your name? Mira. This is Mira, beautiful Mira. And that's her boyfriend who's hiding. He's hiding. Come in. It's your girlfriend. Come in. Married?
No, my son. Really?
Show me your face. Very quickly, show me your face. That's Mira.
Son and mother.
Really?
Yeah.
Really? Son and mother.
Mother, son,
And
I brother.
brother. Really? YouTube, check this out. This is Mira. That's her beautiful son. That's the brother, and the husband is somewhere around running around. Why is your husband not with you? Which one? Red cap. Hiding.
Red shirt.
Hiding. Abang. Abang.
My husband.
Your husband. Husband. Abang pilih mana? Abang pilih mana?
My husband.
Where you from?
I'm from. I'll come to you. Take your face mask off for 1 minute. You don't want to show your face with your wife?
50.
Sorry?
COVID.
1 second. Show your wife. Then you put it back. like this. Put it back. He doesn't want to die. She's okay with it. Now you can put your mask back on. Because I'm giving everybody a hard time. Okay. Where are you from?
Seraban.
Suamban. What are you doing in Penang?
Holiday lah.
Holiday.
You're all going on holidays. A vacation family. Have a good holiday. Where's your mom? Tell your wife you love her. Tell your wife.
Huh?
Look at her. Tell her you love her.
Apa tu nanti?
Dia suka nang sini.
Oh.
Tempat bergila.
Do you understand?
Yes.
Tell him to tell his wife that he loves her.
Oh, dia cakap saya ada gitar lah.
Oh.
You
Alright.
Malaysians don't like to say your husband loves you.
Budak-budak kacau.
Thank you very much. And hi, who's that?
My son.
Your son. Hi,
This side.
kakak, adik, kakak. Come. What's your name?
What's your name?
My name is Putri.
Putri. What's your name?
Irfan Rifki.
What's his name?
Irfan Rifki.
And what's your name, father?
Muhammad Azhar.
Look in the camera and tell everybody to wear a mask. Malaykan.
Selamat datang ke Pulau Mutiara.
Mahalo.
Ah?
Very nice.
Very
Thank you.
nice.
I'll come back and take a picture. Apa kabar?
Kabar baik.
Very nice. And this is the sun again. Okay, thank you everybody. I'll come back and I'll give you information on where you can find the video. Give me 5 minutes, let me go back. I'll come back, okay? I'll get my...
Okay, bye. Hey, where you from?
Where you
Where are
Cool.
you from?
Talk to her. Okay, I'm gonna go.
Okay, bye-bye.
This is the thing. And this lady is wearing her mask inside the car. She's very shy. Okay, so I'll take you to the ferry. It's going to come compound. They can you log them in? Log them in. Okay, I'm going to go to the ferry now. I'm going to go very quickly. Beautiful. It's docking right now. I'm going to say bye to Carla, my friend there. This is my ferry interview. I've been wanting to do this for the past 2.5 that I've been here, and it's finally. So I'm going to quickly say hello to, say bye-bye to my friend Carla. Carla, have a safe. Thank you for the interview. Yeah. Say hello to your husband. And come with me. No, you can hit the car and we take you down, so I can give you information. Okay. You have a camera? You have a phone?
Yeah.
So this is docking. Take a picture. Got it?
Okay, wait. Okay.
Log in, subscribe, and I'll see you on social media, all right?
All right, thank you.
It's docking. I have to get back to the car, and then we'll see what happens. And these are the people, the pedestrians who are here, and they're very, very shy. They're all wearing a mask. Every one of them is wearing a mask. I've given some people, very nice Penang, very nice. This is Penang. Very shy, wants to look very shy, very shy. Everybody's very shy. Everybody's wearing a mask. Hello. Thank you. The boat's moving. Hello. Okay, I gotta go get back to my driver, and I'm just spending a few hours and then I'm flying off to Kuala Lumpur, and that's the back end of it as we dock. This man is the best person. Thank you. You enjoyed your ride, yeah? Thank you very much. And that's the story, people. Let me do your panorama. Let me do your panorama for you. That's Penang Island. That's the clock tower. We'll see that later. This is the water, turbulent, not very turbulent water. That's the Penang Island. Sorry, that is Butterworth. That's the bridge out yonder. And this is the ferry docking. This is the second ferry docking. And here, people are getting out, so I'm going to get out. Thank you very much. And from Penang, from the beaches of Penang, and from Butterworth to Penang on a ferry, this is JC. Mahalo, out. I might just film the getting out. Bye bye. Mahalo. Stay safe. Wear your mask. Stay beautiful. JC, out. We're just leaving the ferry right now. And that's what it looks like leaving the ferry. And people there are waiting, cars are waiting, and now, and down there people are waiting, motorcycles and cars queued up in line. People, welcome to Pulau Penang, including to me. Thank you very much. And I'm just going to get out and give you a 360, and then I'm going to end this segment very, very quickly. Okay? The things I do for you people. This is the cars coming out. These are the cars coming out. Those are the people that I harassed earlier coming out. This is coming out. Now we are in Penang Island. We are in Penang Island. That is the clock tower. I'm going to see Fort Cornelius or Cornelius or something like earlier that I was told. I was briefed. So from the ferry terminal in the Penang site, this is JC. Again, Mahalo, out. Stay beautiful, wear your mask, stay safe. JC, out.